Alrighty, just got this American Standard Aspirations shower base, and the bathroom we're putting it in, nowhere near ready for it, but I just want to open it, make sure it survives shipping, which no problems with the box from what I've seen, so it probably did. But I figured give you an idea what you're gonna get if you buy this sucker. And it is packaged very well. Only taped the cardboard end of the box. Now you can't see that, but they inspected it, stamped. Bunch of instructions. Oh, it's a really nice protective cover on it, which is good. Love to see that. Is it going to survive getting it out? Oh. All right. So let's take a look. Need the scissors again. Cut this tape off. There we go. It's got some wood built into it. Let's show you the back. Well, do the front first. All right. Be careful, it's fiberglass on the bottom, sharp. But yeah, look at that. Super nice. It's heavy duty. It has a tread pattern built into it. You can't really see. I guess you can kind of see it. I feel like taking my camera off the mount. But here's your drain. It's a left-hand drain because that side has a ridge around it. But yeah, super nice. I'm trying to flip it over. I don't see any issues with it. I don't. Oh my goodness, this thing probably weighs like 40 pounds or so. Yeah, let's leave that alone. What's this? There's some kind of something in the bag here. I'm getting this fiberglass crap all over me. That's fun. What do we got? Not really sure what these are. I guess shims. But they gave you like 20 of them, so that's good. I'll have to look at the instructions to figure out what those are. Alright, put that back up on. Here's the bottom of it. Ooh, it's heavy. Drain plate assembly. Alright, that's cool. Because if you noticed it, it has a strange. Oh. Alright. That's nice. So it's concealed. The drain is concealed. That's very cool. I don't know if you can see that, but I like that. Love to see it. Alright, let's get the bottom of this doohickey. Alright. It's got some plywood to elevate it, or to support it. And yeah, I don't see anything wrong here. Do you? I don't know. There you have it. The Aspirations concealed drain, hidden drain shower pan. Very nice.